But the rain is falling. Very seriously. We have been standing here for like um 40 minutes or thereabouts. See my leg. So want to go to the beach market to get some stuff. I want to start buying things for my NYC. So I want to go and check if I can see like a couple of things there. And I'm going to the market with my auntie. So we are just standing by the ATM for the rent stop. We wanted to withdraw and we have not withdrawn yet. So the market is going to be very dirty. Why should you help me and beg this way? No. This is what rainy season looks like in this country. Because it's going to be spoiling plans for you. So guys, the rain finally stopped just a little. And we're inside the bus now, going to the market. And yeah, I'm drenched. How much is your box? I want this. Something like this. Yes. Eh? Why? Guys, I'm trying to get a box for my cam. That I use and go to cam. I don't want to carry old box. I like something like this. I don't like this one. 35K. 32K last. This one is 30K. This is a box. Yeah, this box 30K. Big go. Like I carry this one to camp provision enter well well. I feel like this one is I don't know, I feel like this one is bigger than this one. This one is looking dusty. I like black. I feel like this one has more sides, like outer sides than that one. Does that one have expansion as well? Okay. Let me see this one. Okay. It's the same thing. 30,000. Yes now. Guys, I just got my bags. I just got my bags. And I need this bag. I need to get this bag. I don't know how much this is. Eh? I'm considering now since you're not going to the beach market again. Because we leave polo. I mean, my mommy already discussed already. Before you get some, Niaga, the polo man no cheaper. Go to that beach. Because Nga last week, it had 1.5. But when we go to this market now, oh no. And you go, maybe you're not going to. If you okay for this, but will you collect? Eh? If I give you, will you collect? You be a robber. Guys, I need to get this bag as well. This one. How much is this one? Wagwan. And you're right. That's my baby right there. Please, if you should watch my video so I can make money. Thank you. Box is how much? The last time I got something like this. This is what I'm using currently. Was 3,000 naira. Yes, exactly what you're seeing here. But brown color, 3K. That was like two. I finished with 216. That was like 213 or 214. That's when we bought that box. 3K. Now it's 18K. What do we? Okro now 3,000 naira. How much did you say this last? So I can come back. Guys, I've gotten my box, so I don't think I'm buying any other thing again in this market because I ain't got no money. Because the market is dirty.
Air freshener, it smell fine for room, for toilet, cupboard. It smell fine.
See that within your wife alone, but when your wife alone, or don't have good in this circle. Guys, we are going to look for where to buy red skirts. My auntie wants to get skirts, and then we'll start going. I'm not going to the beach market again because it's very late, and I've spent all my money. I think you can find. Oh, what do you want to use it for? Thank you. Who made this down part? It's very fine. Carry it now. This skirt. This one is giving old school. But see this skirt. But this one, the other one, yeah. Mama, this one. Mm. That's 1K.
35.
Jesus. I like this color.
Soon as socks.
So how much is socks?
Socks, that's one.
So I don't do like that now.
No,
I got like one pair of socks because I need plenty. I got one pair of socks for 300.
no,
Why not telling me 500? Bring it out first before you go and keep it. No, it's not that one. No, like my size.
No, see that one nice. This one nice 3.
I'm telling you, that's what I got. Bring these socks now.
How many percent?
I don't need one more to add.
Have you got your one nick? What color?
I'll get it not today. Okay, let me give you 300 now. Make I not check out.
We need be man now, 300.
So, how much? See this one. How much you want?
That's not sometimes 3,500.
How much you want to give me now?
500.
You! The worst day to come to the market in Nigeria is a rainy day, and the worst person to come to the market with is my auntie, the one I came to the market with today. And Sister Mercy. I pray that my sister should not cut. She came to iron the skirt that she got because she's wearing it to church. And by the time we get home, there'll probably be no light. And there's light in the market, in the Nigerian market. Are you ironing the two of them? Just the red one. Sure, you're going to pay for it. Hello. The ironing, is it free? You said that you're only ironing, you know. Come on, my clothes is very wet. My bag. Let me see your skirt. I'll find one in that skirt is very fun. I'll find one in that skirt is very fun. Where you sleep with it on? White shirt. This is very fine and nice iron. Thank you. Oh, but in box. Oh, sorry, I'm very sorry. I splashed water on someone by mistake. Okwe va ser el lío. Comemos, decimos, acabamos. Okay. Which one? Like, again, would give 500. And you sure? Okay, 1 million again would give 500. Yes. I think I go. Okro there. Let's go. This market, you cannot come to this market and say you want to buy one thing. You end up buying plenty things. Look at the market, very dirty. Okay, how much? You never had jollof for us. I got to buy sensitive. Mama, got them. Where no sooner? Hello, then you are. Why did you buy the black one? I think the black one is other. Are you buying any other thing?
Chairman.
Oh, what the army I'll try my own here. How much is it? Just give me one now. Wow, who would do? This is the strongest thing I've eaten this year. Please add more water in the future. Thank you.
Buy air fresh nice, man. I just
You. Dame si la mame de luna. Guys, we are going back home now. This is the worst person that you go to the. I will not go to the market with you again.
Meaning what?
I was behind, you were in front.
You know what fast now?
I was trying something that was heavy now. So, summary of today. Don't go to the market if you're a soft girl like me. Don't go to the market on a rainy day in Nigeria. Wrong idea. The market was so dirty. I got see my slippers, no cut sha. I'm so happy I got my box, even though I didn't get any other thing. I had plans of getting like a lot, but I got only my box. Inshallah, thank God. And I got a pair of socks. I have like 2 pairs already at home. I don't think I need any other socks today. Just enough.
What about canvas?
And I'll buy canvas. That'll be later. Small that you will buy and finish.
That's right.
the most ethic thing to do is to vlog and be carrying something that is heavy. Jesus. So I'll end this video at this point. Please, I'm begging, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.